Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions. Today we'll show you how to use Vanish Mode on Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. To use Vanish Mode on your phone, first get into the Messenger app and open a contact. After that, swipe up and you'll be asked to hold a swipe. Do that and the Vanish Mode will turn on. Press OK and now you're on Vanish Mode. Type any text you want. Seen messages will automatically disappear. To turn off Vanish Mode, just simply press the turn off button right above the screen and you're done. So that's how you can use Vanish Mode on Messenger. Hope you guys like this video, share our videos and subscribe to the channel. Peace.